Oh, sir, can we be of assistance?
Yeah, I just asked for a copy of face. That's all.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
We're happy to help you, but unfortunately you're not allowed to record in the front office.
Oh, well, I am though.
You're not though, because it's not covered as a public place in that sense.
Section 33 of the Criminal Justice Act
no,
1972 allows me to be here. It's a public place, whether
allowed
for
to.
money or not. And as a public place, I'm allowed to film.
No, it's not, because there's other members of the public here that may not want to be identified on the film.
I'm not filming them.
He's literally saying you're
I'm
uncomfortable.
not. I'm not filming anyone. I want pace.
No, you're not at pace. We're explaining to you that it's not allowed to film in the front office. I'm happy to discuss with
I just turn my camera off. I turn my camera off.
If you turn everything off, that included.
I want a copy of pace.
What do you mean?
Pace.
Is everything switched off?
Read pace 1.0.
What? Sorry?
Read pace 1.0 of code A.
Right.
Where's pace? What is it?
What are you asking?
I want to consult it. Yes.
Right, okay, we'll sort that
Yeah.
out for you. Right,
Yeah,
okay.
thank you.
And we'll just advise you not to film.
You can't advise me. It's not unlawful.
It's not advice, it's instruction.
It's not unlawful.
It is.
You're not giving me a lawful order.
It is when you're on
What's
police
your lawful
property.
order?
You're on police property, so it's not really law. It's our policies and procedures. You're not entitled to film in the reception. So if you're recording still on that, so
There's absolutely nothing you can do about it.
there is absolutely everything we can ask you to leave the building, and then if you refuse to do so, then you'll be liable for arrest for breach of
You want to breach pace, or you want to give it to me now?
You're not really explaining what you need. So would you like a copy of
Pace
the police and
code
criminal
A?
website? You want a copy
Pace
of it?
code A, yes.
You may be available from the website. We may not have.
No. Read pace code A 1.0. Do you know what it states? Members of the public, it has to be readily available at every single police station for consultation, and that's what I want.
And that's fine if that's the case. However, the colleagues were saying we're just more concerned about the thoughts of you filming in this office when your colleagues explained.
Are you filming?
Yes.
Do you know what your policy is? You know what your policy is? You've got your body cam on, right? You're supposed to inform me at the earliest opportunity.
Yes.
Have you?
So a sticker on the body wall
Have
that
you?
advises you.
Yeah, there's also that.
And what if I can't read or write?
Right, that's fine. But
Right?
That's not.
We're explaining to you.
No,
Right, so
your code
please
of
remove
practice.
remove the body worn video, because I'm not convinced that you're recording. So please.
I'm not doing anything with it. If you want to put
If-
hands on me,
If
I'll
you don't, then
there'll be a
we'll ask
civil
you
claim.
to remove the body worn, and then we'll happily help you. But
What-
as this woman's saying, she's very uncomfortable about you. You're entitled to record in the front office of
Yes,
the
I am.
police station. No, you're not. That's
Okay.
a matter of fact. So you
Right.
can argue
Tell
that.
me
so
what law.
ultimately, remove.
Tell me what law.
It is a policy for the police not to have.
I
it because it is a
don't
thing.
go by police
So no.
policies. You do. I
Sir,
don't.
This is the final time. Please remove your body worn video,
Oh,
or you'll
what?
be asked to leave the police station.
I want pace code A.
No.
So that if we're
That won't be
listening
afforded to you
the
until you leave the police station, or you take the body worn off, and then I'll be more than happy to help you. But please take the body worn off.
I don't need to.
You do.
No, I don't.
I'm instructing you to.
explained.
It's been
I
explained.
don't listen to
This is the
instructions.
this is the final chance.
What is your legal
I am going to
basis?
explain to you once more.
What's your legal
I'm going to
basis?
explain to you once more. Please remove the body worn video, and then I'm more than happy to help you. Right?
I'm not taking it off my body.
Yes, you can put it in your pocket or whatever you wish.
No, it's staying there.
Right, well, please leave the police station, because I'm not going to deal with you if you're not going to
I want
cooperate.
pace code A.
And we're not going to give it to you if you're not going to cooperate.
Professional
So,
standards.
That's absolutely fine. If you want to
IOPC.
make a complaint. 8020 over. Right, I'm going to ask you please leave the police station.
Why?
Why? Because you're refusing to follow my instructions, which is to stop filming.
I don't need to follow your instructions. It's not a lawful order.
Are you going to leave the police station?
It's not a lawful
Are you going to
order.
leave the police station?
Give me a lawful order.
If you carry on, you're going to be liable for arrest to prevent a breach of the peace. So I just advise you.
What breach
So
of the peace?
I advise you, take the body worn
There is
off,
no breach of the peace.
leave the police station. I'm happy to speak to you outside the police station, but you by being here and refuse to follow instructions is a breach of the peace. And I will.
You are breaching pace.
This is the final option. Yeah. So ultimately, your final options are either leave the police station, take your body worn off and I'll help you, or leave the police station and I'll forward a copy of the pace to you.
Right, I'm putting the drone over in a minute. Yeah, I'm putting the drone over. I want pace. Right, so I'm outside now. Now I want pace.
Away from the office because you're still recording in. You're still recording in. I'm going to give you another warning.
I'm in
because-
public.
No, but you're still recording into the police station.
That's not an offence.
Yes, it is recording into the office.
Not an
Right,
offence.
I'm arresting you on
Yeah?
suspicion of breach of the peace. You do have to
Really?
say-
Really?
Yep.
You're going to be sorry. You're going to be sorry, mate. You're going to be extremely sorry. You are going to be extremely sorry.
Put your hands behind your back.
Yeah. Don't forget, I was outside. I was outside like you asked me to.
Hands behind your back.
You asked me to leave, and I left.
Hands behind your back, sir.
Put my glasses on. Yeah, let me put my glasses on, mate. Mate, let me put my glasses on.
Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind
You're going to be sorry. You're going to be extremely sorry. Jesus fuck, man.
Right, everyone.
Jesus Christ.
Right, you're asking to do something.
I haven't done anything.
Well, we'll sort that out.
I was outside the door.
Right, are you going to stand up and stop the... Yeah?
Hold on, what's the need for this?
Right, are you going to stand
What's
up?
the need for this?
Are you going to stand up? I'm talking to
Yeah.
you. Right, stand up. Let's get him up.
You better be sorry.
Well, if he is, but we've asked you to leave, I'm presuming.
And I was outside the door.
Stand up for me.
I was outside the door,
Stand up
mate.
for me. Stand up.
My camera will show it.
Right, that's fine. Right, the officers have obviously made a decision to arrest you. Put your hands behind your back for me, please. Thank you. And then we can figure out what's going on. Just put your bend your arm for us. Thank you. Right. And then we can figure out what's going on. Just move your hand a second, please. Thank you. Sorted? Yeah. Right, what we were doing?
Very good.
Right. Right, 2 seconds. You got it? Do you want your glasses?
Stuff, yeah, he's still got some
Do you want your glasses?
Yes.
Right. Are you going to relax?
Listen, I was already outside this police
listen to
station.
me.
Do you
You
want
know,
the
you know what you're doing. You're trying to antagonise, right?
No, I'm exercising my rights.
No. I'm not going to get in a discussion with you. Right? The officers have made a decision. Right? I'm guessing this is your gear, yeah?
Yeah, it is.
Right, good man.
I haven't got it, but would you create some way for a picture, please? Yeah, when we arrest.
Just turn off, obviously, when we go through custody, it can't be recording. So how do I turn it off?
Just depress the off button
Where's that?
on the,
Apologies, I don't have one, so I don't know.
on the left hand side, down the bottom. Depress it for a few seconds. There you go.
2 seconds, perfect, thanks a lot. Want it back in this bag? Keep it safe?
No, that's my drone.
No?
Yes, 2 seconds. Just keep hold of him a second. Will just be 2.
Wait here for now.
Get your hands off me.
Unfortunately, you're in handcuffs at the minute, sir, so I'm going to keep a hold of you.
Breach of the peace. Where's the breach of the peace? The breach of the peace, as you call it, is now over. Take these handcuffs off and let me go. IOPC, I've got 2 upheld complaints at IOPC against you, please. It's not unlawful to video in a police front.
Explained to you by me,
No,
colleague.
I don't care about your policies. Your policies are nothing, and you know that I was outside that door, outside of the police station.